This video is for topic area 1, characteristics, risk and reward for enterprise. This is 1.2, potential rewards for risk taking. So there are various rewards for risk taking, and the 4 that we need to focus on for this exam are financial independence, self-satisfaction and making a difference or change. Taking risks can come with big rewards. A risk can be starting the business in the first place, as often people leave their career or profession to branch out on their own. In other words, if you are running a company for the first time, you would have to give up your existing job, therefore giving up your normal, standard, steady income. That is a big risk for a lot of people to do, because if it fails, you might not have a job to go back to. The first reward from taking a risk of starting your own business is a financial gain. So by running your own business and being in charge, it's highly likely that you will end up being much better off financially than if you worked for somebody else. Obviously, this is not always the case, but if your business is successful, then it more than likely will be. For example, let's say you work as an electrician for a company and earn £35,000 as a salary. If you started your own business and work for yourself, you get to keep all of the revenue, and therefore you could potentially earn a lot more money. Another potential reward is independence. So from taking the risk to start your own business, the independence you can gain is really powerful. No longer have you got to listen to your boss and follow orders from somebody else, even if you don't agree with them. You've got the benefit of full control of the business and all of the decisions that go along with it. You would get a real sense of independence and feel like you have worth. If your business is a success, then you can get an overwhelming feeling of self-satisfaction. You get a feeling of pride that you've achieved something and basically been successful. So that sense of self-satisfaction is often worth taking the risk. Another possible reward for taking the risk is a little bit more of a complicated one to explain, but it gives you the opportunity to make a difference or change, whether that's to your business or whether that's to the society or world in general. So one frustrating thing to people is the distribution of profits. If you're working for another business, you have no control over the distribution of profits. If you are running a business, you have full control over whatever it is that you want to do with the money. So often, lots of profits go to shareholders and other areas when you might want to see them given to charity or give more money to your workers. Taking the risk to run your own business and be in charge allows you to make a real difference by distributing profits wherever you like. A good example is Octopus Energy, who pride themselves on not actually making a profit, whereas lots of other energy companies are making billions in profits each year and all the money is going to their shareholders.